10 upon 5 minus square root of 24 under square root. How to simplify this? So let's first rationalize the denominator. So it will be 10 upon, we multiply and divide it by the conjugate of the denominator. So it will be times 5 plus square root of 24 upon 5 plus square root of 24 under square root, or 50 plus 10 times square root of 24 upon 5 square. This is in the form of differences of square, a minus b times a plus b, and this is equal to a square minus b square. So minus square root of 24 square under square root, or 50 plus 10, we can write it as 2 times 5 times square root of 24, and 5 we can also write it as 25 under square root, because square root of 25 is 5, upon 5 square is 25, minus, we remove the square root with the square, 24 under square root, or 50 plus, then square root of a times square root of b, it is equal to a times b under square root. So it will be 2 times 25 times 24 under square root upon 25 minus 24 is 1. Now 50 plus 2, 25 times 24 is 600 under square root. Now to further simplify it, we have to remove the square root, and to remove the square root, if we can find a plus minus b in the form of a plus minus b whole square, then this whole square can remove the square root. So 50 we can write it as 30 plus 20 plus 2. Square root of 600 we can write it as 30 times 20 under square root, then all under square root. 30 we can write it as square root of 30 square, because then square root gets removed with the square and it will be equal to 30, plus square root of 20 square plus 2 times square root of 30 times square root of 20 under square root. Now if square root of 30 is a and square root of 20 is b, then this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, and this algebraic expression we can write it as square root of 30 plus square root of 20 a plus b whole square under square root. Now remove the square root with the square, so square root of 30 plus square root of 20. This is our answer. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.